Sudah mau Tildani here, and we will continue last time the first episode setuping DB and Golang project, the DB using Docker Compose. We have created the Docker Compose, and we have pull rec the commit, so I will merge this one first. Merge, confirm merge, and delete branch, and then we go to the wallet, and this should be the master's branch, and then we have this commit list commit. So when we have list commit, maybe we can see list of the pull request here later on if we want to recall. This is the close one. Okay, now we will going to continue to the second course, but before that I want to check out to master, and you see we don't have any here, anything gone, but don't worry, we have a git. So git pull origin master. Okay, back we have all of our code. Go back, then we clear the terminal, and then maybe we start a new chat. Okay, so I want to share about what is this. Go to chat. Okay, please help me why we need to help me understand why we need config as a parameter and config as a returned value. Okay, so the Gemini, I think, will answer. We think we will wait this first. Why this case so long? Okay, basically the config as a pointer represent a pointer to a config struct, and then is the address of primary uses of struct. So the config as a pointer is working with the memory address, and then is efficient, no copying and mutability, and allowing nil values, and return value this one takes the address. The n is take the address of the newly created config literal right, and then since the signature is this and return this one, returning is match of the return type, something like that. Okay, then we continue to the database migration and schema design. So what is the purpose of the database migration? Imagine that we have a manual SQL script execution inside the DBA or inside the GUI or inside the terminal of the database. It's not recorded, and if we are forgot what the table that we have just created, then our teammates cannot see the scheme changes. So we need the immigration tool. This is used for everything that changes on our database. It will be recorded. For example, if we have an initial SQL file and then later we create a new table, then we have everything in our file, and then if the database is accidentally deleted, we still have the list of the migration schema, and we can just add the new table, right? This is not good if not using migration. We don't have any record, and then after we need to change the new database, or we need to move from dev environment to the UAT or to the production environment, then we need to look at the code. What is the code using? Select anything, add anything, create table and anything. We need to one by one look at into our file, and that is not good. Yeah, so first we need to create a database migration. Okay, I want to create a folder first. Make directory db migration, then the db migration is right here, and then I want to use Golang migrate CLI, or create a manual file for this. So I need to have a Golang migrate command not found, Golang migrate, then I want to check with this one, Gemini, which migrate. Okay, I have migrate, so from brew. If you are not have migrate, then you need to install first migrate version, maybe. Okay, which migrate? This is from opt brew. Okay, so I have migrate. If you don't have any migration yet, go to the internet, yeah, maybe like install Golang migrate. This one, brew install Golang migrate, and or scope if you are using Windows, migrate, use migrate. Okay, install migrate, and then if I use brew, I think I will go to the brew, go install Golang migrate, and then this one should be okay. Creating new file. I think I want to create a file. Migrate create txt. Yeah. Migrate create est sql min director dash director db migrations SQL create user table, maybe blah .sql. Yeah, you can use this, but I want to create a manually, so I want to create a 0000001 init.up.sql, and then also for the down 0000001 down.up.sql. So for the up, I would like to create a new table called users, and this is id varchar should be 36. I primary key, full name varchar 100, not null, and email varchar unique not null is maybe 150 lah, and password hash varchar not null. And I want to create an add timestamp not null, no, default current timestamp. Okay, then updated at on up. Okay, current timestamp on update current timestamp, and then the last one is deleted at timestamp null. Wait. I think I need is active is active pull and default true. Yeah, this one. This is in case we need this one. Okay, so wait a second, I need to check again, and then no need because I have deleted at if null then active lah. Yeah. So after that I need to create table wallet and ID varchar primary key and user ID varchar unique not null. No, I don't need this one first. Unique user ID should be unique, and then balance should be decimal, not null. Default is 0.00, and then currency varchar 3 digit, not 3 var, not null. Default IDR because I'm Indonesian, so I use IDR lah, yeah. And status should be varchar not null. Default active. I want to active or frozen. Version integer not null. Default 1 used for optimistic locking. Later we will cover this one. So created at timestamp default current timestamp and updated at timestamp default current timestamp and on update, yeah, current timestamp as well, and deleted at I think we need this one in case. And foreign key, it should be user ID and reference the user's ID. Okay. On delete cascade, we need this on delete cascade. Okay. Then we create table for transaction. I think ID varchar 36 primary key sender wallet. This one later we delete if no need. Sender wallet ID equal varchar 36 no receiver wallet ID varchar 36. For this not no actually amounts decimal not no description text can be null. I need to delete this one. Wait, this autocomplete is good and not good at the same time. Okay, back to here. I need a desk after description. Item potency key, maybe. Yeah, item potency key, varchar unique not null. 100 is enough. Status varchar 20 not null, default pending, default success or pending. Success, wait, success. I forgot, this one should be, this one should be lowercase. This can be success, pending, failed. Okay, created at timestamp default, of course. Foreign key, frozen lagi, foreign key, sender wallet, reference wallets ID on reference wallet. Okay, let's set no need. Foreign key receiver wallets ID. Okay, done for this. Ledger, entries. Do we have this one? Okay, 4, yeah. I think user wallets, transaction and ledger. User wallets, transaction and ledger entries. Okay, ID varchar 36, primary key, wallet ID varchar 36 not no, wallet ID, transaction ID, and then entry type varchar 10 not no, this one is credit plus or debit means amount decimal 15 to not null. This one should be created at, I just copy, and then foreign key, copy from here, copy from here should be wallet ID and wallet ID, and this one should be transaction ID equal to transactions ID. Okay, done. So for the down scheme should be drop table if exists ledger entries, then transaction wallets and user. Okay, done. Transaction wallet and user. Okay, this should be done. I forgot to put on this one. It should be good right. So I want to migrate and then Golang migrate close split first, migrate path db migrations database MySQL co-wallet user, this is our username, co-wallet password at TCP localhost 3306 co-wallet okay, let's check duplicate migration file. I get this one, why? This one should be down and this one should be in it. Okay, go create table. You have, let me check with this one. How, what is this one? You have an error is detected to manual press button that your server near this. Okay, skip. So this one should be, don't have comma in here. That's my bad. Okay. Oh. Dirty database. And is this automatically my agent do it or no? Schema migration. Dirty. Okay, I will delete this one for now because we are in the first try, so no worries. Okay, I think this works, and we refresh and we have the table. We have the table here. Wallets, transaction user, ledger entries, and schema migration. The dirty 0. Okay, okay, this one is good for now. So why we use decimal in here? Because this is the financial things and we need to save the money with decimal because the 2-digit after comma is need to be precise. We cannot use float or double for this because the floating point imprecision problem. And then why we use UUID as a string or varchar, we use ID as a 36 because we need to use the UUID so we can clearly read and understand the IDs. And in the idempotency key, where is idempotency key? Here in the transaction table, we need to set unique so the transaction is not duplicated if something happened, the database processing twice. So okay, this one should be good. And yeah, I think I will commit again. The anti-gravity IDE has generate commit, yeah. So I just copy this, git add, git commit, git wait, I forgot to create new git checkout -p to the new feature here, new branch. 002 should be set up migration scheme. Okay, git commit -m and then git push origin feature to the migration schema. Okay, And we see here we have the recent pushes 2 seconds ago, and I think we need to create pull rack again, and we see file changes in here. I think no need to review. We can just merge pull rack, confirm merge, and delete branches, and go out again to the main and clear, git check out master, and git pull origin master again to update the remote to our local git. Okay, this one, the new file is coming. Okay, good, clear, thank you, see you the next video.